Hey Chris, it's Raymond here with Ali Mazda to making this quick video to show you how the Durango sounds like after you start it. Here, let's see. Or let's hear, I should say. Oh my gosh. That sounds cool. And then let's see how it sounds like with the hood up. Oh, there we go. Oh no, it turns off when the hood is up. Okay. Let's start it again. Yeah. Oh, and you have easy access and easy exit, so the seats move up and move back. Oh my gosh, I'm just traversing in the snow here. Where is this thing? There we go. And this is what the engine looks like and sounds like. Now that it's lower RPMs, let's hear the exhaust. Nice rumble right there. That would put a smile on my face. I haven't driven this because our managers say we can't drive it, it's too nice. But if you have any questions, you can let me know at 780-986-9665. Let's try to get this done. Bye.